Hello, Facebook Live. What's happening? Marcus here and Jamie right there. Say hi, Jamie.
Hi.
Jonathan's right there. So, and Harry just left, walked out the door. So, I'm going to be cooking here in the Hudson Valley at this local winery. What's the date, Jamie?
March 6th.
March 6th. So we're doing like a awesome little informal wine dinner. I'm doing a little cooking demo, little educational piece. We're tasting lots of great wine that night. Friday, March 6th. We're working out the details right now, which is why we're here. And I'm at Rivendell, Robibero, ex-Rivendell Winery, at Robibero Winery, here in Gardner, in New Paltz area. And we're just going over what I'm cooking, the price. The event's going to be right here. I'll be set up somewhere here, doing a little demo. Jamie will be here. We'll be serving lots of cool stuff, drinking lots of cool wine. If you have not been to Robibero, this is a must visit. What are the hours here, Jonathan?
We're 11 to 6, Thursday through Sunday until April, 7 days a week, May through October.
Okay, so 11 to 6, Thursday through Sunday until April, then 7 days a week in April?
7 days a week in May.
In May, 7 days a week in May. And let me walk out on the porch here and show you guys the porch. The deck, the vineyards. They do a lot of fun events here, like a sangria event. They do a cupcake event. So the vineyards are right there, all the vines. They're building a new building over there. So it's cool to see them expanding. Sometimes there's music out here. You can bring your own food, which is cool. They also do pizzas outside. There's heaters out here, so you can come out this time of the year. There is a roof on there. The sides are up here. But there's the vineyard. This is, again, the New Paltz area. They have a massive fire pit out there, which is really cool. So, like a really huge fire pit. Jonathan, what you guys do pizzas outside, right?
We do wood-fired pizzas on Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, those are outside.
There's a huge fire pit out there with lots of grapevines right now. That's look like it's going to make an awesome bonfire. Bands sometimes, music sometimes?
Saturdays in April, Saturdays in November, Saturday and Sunday, May through October.
Okay, so there's music here. Their website probably has a lot of information. Follow them on Facebook, by the way, too. There's how many, what does the standard tasting cost?
Tasting $12 for any 5 wines.
$12, any 5 wines. How many wines you guys make?
14 wines on the list right now.
14 wines. Very cool. So I'm going to do a sneak peek outside of the fire pit. They do get busy on the weekends. It's really awesome. Again, this is a great spot. And Friday, March 6th, I'll be cooking here. Jamie and I are doing a little wine dinner, a little educational piece. And here's outside. So here's the outside. There's that big fire pit I was talking about. A lot of people hang out there. A little wood burning pizza oven out there as well. Continuation of the deck. So they've been here for 10 years now. Down there's the way to the basement, to the wine cellar. So they've been here for about 10 years now. If you've not been to Robibero, come check it out. A lot of really cool stuff. So Josephine says, love it, Robibero. Yes, exactly, Robibero. If you know about Robibero, drop a comment, say yes, been there. If you're watching live, drop a comment, #live. Just let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're tuning in from New Paltz, Ellenville, California, Italy, just drop a comment, let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you've been here, definitely drop a comment, say yes, been there. And if you're going to join us Friday, March 6th, 647-3000, we'll have it up on a website here pretty soon, whether it's on our website or Robibero's website, it will be up. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be sending out emails and all that kind of stuff. So, all right, folks, we'll talk to you later.
Have a good day.